Good morning, everyone. This is Go Element Auto Works. Remember those 20 by 10, 20 by 10 and a half Mandrus wheels that I had purchased back? The ones that I had sold off with my S550? Well, I went on ahead and bought them back and I put them on the S500. I think it's a nice look. That's right, 20 by 10 and a half in the rear, 20 by 10 in the front. No rub. Fit on there perfectly. I think the offset might have been about maybe 33 plus, something like that. I like these. They look good. They're not doing too much. It's a very classy, very sophisticated and classy wheel. Let me see at this angle. You can see the lip. Let me see. It's a nice wheel right there. Very nice. Very nice. Nice sophisticated look. All right, so over the last few days, I decided to go ahead and get that radiator together. So I ordered a off-brand radiator, and anytime I change a radiator on a Mercedes, I'm not gonna lie, I never buy an OEM radiator. I always go with the aftermarket one. I read the reviews, and I always get one for under $100. I mean, it's just what it is. I don't care anything about OEM, the materials and all that kind of stuff. It's a radiator. I mean, they've been making radiators for how many years? So as long as you get a reputable company that makes them and they have good reviews, just buy it. Mercedes radiators to me are not that unique that you have to spend $300, $400, $500, $700 for them. I think it's ridiculous. So I changed the radiator, the upper hose, the battery just had to get charged up, and that's it. I mean, it's running real good. Okay, everyone, now let's take a look at the inside of the S500. This has, like I said, the reclining rear seats. That's rare. You don't see that on these models, on any of the S-classes of these early years. If I get this thing to work, there you go. Okay, check it out. Reclining rear seats. So it has the massage feature right there. Has, of course, the heated feature, and also the reclining feature. Okay, I don't know if the cars with it being off if it'll do. Oh, there you go. Look, see that? Pretty dope. Now, how many of y'all can say that y'all have this feature in your Mercedes? Reclining rear seats. That is nice. Okay, it has that on both sides, of course. Pretty dope. Massage and reclining and heated rear seats.